Hi, it's Bonnie from Birds Renovations, and we're at our latest project, House 14, Candace's house, and we are styling for Christmas. And this year, Christmas is going to be colourful, it's going to be happy, it's going to be exciting, we're entertaining outside, we can finally have our friends and family over. So let me show you what we've done here. We can make Christmas a special occasion by kind of pulling what we would usually have undercover, pulling it outdoors. I mean, this table's fine, it can sit here. It's the Havelock from Freedom, and it's an outdoor table, you don't need to move it. Now, I often do this when I'm putting together an outdoor table where I mix and match the chairs. So I'll have a bench seat sitting at the back, which is exactly what we've done here. But then what I'll do is pull in some side tables that I've got inside. Usually they're concrete ones so that someone can sit on them. These ones are Terrazzo. I mean, they're beautiful, but that is actually a side table that you can use as a stool. So having pieces of furniture within your home that are multi-purpose, that you can swap around, I get a big tick in my eyes. Christmas for me it's one of the most important days of the year. Now, the second alfresco area that I'm going to talk you through is our old fire pit area. And as you can see, there's no fire anymore, but what there is some amazing furniture. So the old fire pit area is now the new lounge area. Whoever wants to on the day, Nan and Pa, Mum and Dad, the kids, whoever it might be, they just might need that little time out, and this is the place to do it in. So we've got the Palm Cove, which most beautiful piece. It's really amazing, this outdoor furniture. But again, I've used the Terrazzo side table, another little side table here, and then we have the Mosaic coffee table. It's nice and low. I really, really love a low coffee table, and the detailing on this is just beautiful. I've said it before, but Freedom really do have an amazing selection of outdoor furniture, whether it's the tables, the side tables, the coffee tables, the lounges. Head on over to the Freedom website and check out their range.
Sometimes like, and most times I feel just like a sailboat.